every consistent system is really good, but it actually slow down your whole system. Your P95 latency or P99 latency increased a lot because of this consistency. So in case of distributed system, you don't have only single copy of your database. There are multiple database replica. Now let's say there are 3 replica. In replica is there. Now let's say for every write operation, you are writing the data into only one particular database and you are giving success response back. And at the same time, let's say another read request is coming for that particular same data, and that request is going to database 3. At that time, database 3 is not aware of the recent write, so it will give you the old data or the stale data. So that means this system is not consistent in nature. To solve this problem, there is a concept called quorum. What is quorum? Quorum actually tells W plus R will always be greater than N. Where is W? W is basically the number of DB where we are doing the write operation. Read is basically, R is basically the number of DB from where we are getting the data, and N is the total number of database replica that you have. So if in case of in total you have 3 database, now write is going to 2 and let's say read is going to 2. So there is a overlap between write and read request, and this overlap will ensure that every write operation that we are doing is actually giving you the updated data. So for that reason, the number of write and the number of read database will always be greater than the total amount of database. This is the concept of quorum. When R and W is increasing, at that time we will be having highly consistent system, but this system will be slower, and lower R and W value, that means it will not be consistent in nature, but this system will be fast enough.